how to create drop-down menu bar in Figma. This is gonna be very simplified tutorial, nothing advanced. So we're gonna create our menu. Click on text. You can click and create your menu. Now simply click on shapes and add polygon like this and double click it in this section and slice it. It's gonna be like this. Make it a little smaller and go to design in right upper corner area and add some stroke. And also I want to rotate it. So it's that little menu bar icon. Now select both objects, right click and add outside layout. So it's gonna be like one object, and now you can reduce the space between these two and customize it like you want. Also make sure it's selected, and on the right I want to add some padding, for example 12 and 4. Add some filament if you want to, and I'm gonna add stroke and also round my corners. So it's gonna be proper menu bar. You can customize it like you want. Now you can copy this and paste it, and now create your options. It's gonna be pretty simple for me. For example, red, remove this and add another option, and blue. Now we want to select all these objects and right click and create component. It's gonna be like this. I changed it a little bit. Now if your component is created, you can click it and add a variant here. So add some variants. This is our first option. I'm gonna remove this one. These are our options. I want to rotate this. And also if I hover my mouse to red, make sure to select only red section. Click on fill and add filament, and do this also on the blue. Add filament blue and light blue. I'm gonna remove this, rotate these arrows, and this is our result. Now make sure to select your variant, go to prototype, and now simply double click your top menu bar, first one, and this is little plus, and grab it, move it to this section, and now simply trigger on click, change to, it's selected, animation smart, animation smart animate. Now also do the opposite side, select this menu bar, grab it, move it to the back, and also on click, change to smart animate. You can close this. So even if you click this menu bar and if you click this menu bar, it's going to be changing to this one and the opposite. Now make sure to grab red, only this area, this little plus, and grab it, move it to this variant, and we're gonna change the trigger while hovering. Change to OK, smart animate. You can close this. And the second one, select the blue section, only the blue section, and plus, and to the blue one, change the trigger while hovering, change to, etc. Smart animate. You can close this, and now we can check the result. Go to assets in left upper corner area. Here is your component, grab it, move it here, and now you can play it in right upper corner area. Now we are here. This is our menu bar. If we click it, our options will be visible. If we hover our mouse on the red, it's gonna be visible as red. If we do it on the blue one, it's gonna be blue. And if we again click on our menu bar, it's gonna hide our options. So it's pretty simple. You can do many more things with this. You have many options. These are only basics. How it works. It's actually pretty simple even for beginners. You can add multiple choices with multiple options. If you are not satisfied, you can close this and customize it here. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and see you next time.